This is our world. It is not the same as the other planets because it can support life. Our world is full of riches. We are getting our needs from these riches. All of us, and animals as well, are dependent to our nature. Here in our world, we can do everything. We can raise our lives. We can reach for our dreams. We can pray. We can have fun. We can travel. We can think. Be smart. Be successful. And make our lives harmonious. All of these blessings are from the natural resources. Then, what will happen now if all these things were out? We are now experiencing the anger of our nature. You know why? Just simple. Because of us. Because of our carelessness.
Plastics, trash, maybe we just ignore them anywhere. What we don't know is they're actually the things that we are thinking of right now. When we always hear bad news, we're sort of feeling hopeless. The question is it time to panic?
A while ago, it's very sunny, but now it's not. Maybe it is called climate change? What is climate change?
Climate change. Yun yung pagkakatunaw ng yelo sa North Pole at South Pole dahil sa pagbago ng panahon, pagkakasira ng atmosphere.
Climate change, di ba yun yung pag-iiba ng temperature ng mundo? Tapos yung marami namamatay na hayop sa mundo, nauubos mga halaman, tapos yung tubig na umaangat yung level.
Pagbabago ng klima. Tapos, isa greenhouse effect, kasi yung sa ozone layer, lumalaki na yung butas. Tapos, nung init ng araw, na-affect yun sa mga icebergs natin sa North at South Pole. Tapos, tumataas yung tubig.
Ang climate change ay yung pagbabago ng klima kasama na din yung temperature at weather. Tapos nakaka-apekto to sa environment. Mainit, malamig.
Because of extreme weather changes, many people connect it to the end of the world. They say that these are now the signs in the revelations in the Bible.
According to the scientists all over the world, these are now the signs of the overall changes of the climate. The first of all the signs is the rising of the temperature.
Are we experiencing global warming here in the Philippines? The answer is a big yes. Not only based on studies, but also based in on what are we feeling and experiencing right now.
Global warming is gradually becoming a serious concern to our environment and our planet as a whole. In general, global warming is caused by carbon dioxide and other air pollution that is collected in the atmosphere. As it collects and builds up, it is little by little trapping the sun's heat and warming up the planet. Another problem comes part, and is the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is the process by which the greenhouse gases absorb outgoing radiative energy and bounce them back towards the Earth, making it hotter. The four major greenhouse gases are water vapor, carbon dioxide generally contributed by smoke in cars, cigarettes and the like, methane, and ozone, although clouds also bounce solar heat back to the Earth. One more environmental problem that we're dealing with is the climate change. Climate change is a significant and lasting change in the statistical distribution of weather patterns over periods of time, maybe a change in average weather conditions or in the distribution of weather around the average conditions. It is generally caused by ocean circulation, solar radiation, which is the same as in global warming, plate tectonics, and volcanic eruptions.
Driving cars, we can actually walk. Factories that releases chemicals on anything and even smoking and causes global warming. Don't be happy because I said only three, because there are lots of factors that affects the global warming, not only those.
We're in a complicated situation. The conditions of our way are full of danger. And it is getting worse because of pollution.
You can see a lot of garbage anywhere. And also, you can easily breathe, not just because of the smell of the garbage, but also because what you are inhaling is smog.
Garbage is anywhere. Just look in our surroundings. And you will see the cause of pollution.
It's really sad to think that global warming is our fault. This is the cause of our daily work.
As the population increases, our needs are also increasing. And to support these needs, we have now entered the age of technology. And to enter this age of technology, the activities are slowly destroying the balance of nature.
The sudden discharge of air in some human activities can worsen the condition of the greenhouse gas. Those gases make it thicker. Because of the thickness of the greenhouse gas, the energies from the earth that has to be moved to outer space are stored here. The exit is clogged. And this results the rise of Earth's temperature. The rising of the temperature is the effect of global warming.
Carbon dioxide is added to the atmosphere whenever people burn fuels. Oceans play an important role in keeping the Earth's carbon cycle in balance. In the ocean, carbon dioxide reacts to the sea to form carbonic acid. This causes the ocean to become more acidic.
As long as we keep putting extra carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, the ocean will be even more acidic. Increasing acidity will make harder for the corals to build their skeletons and for the shellfish to build their shell in order to protect themselves. Well, corals are important because they provide homes for the other sea creatures.
Global warming also causes droughts. A drought is an extended period of dry weather caused by a lack of rain or snow. As temperatures rise due to global climate change, more moisture evaporates from land and water, leaving less water behind. Some places are getting more rain or snow to make up for it, but other places are getting less.
You might ask us why does that matter? Well, that's because drought means that there is less water available for drinking, watering crops, and making electricity at hydroelectric dams. Other uses, meaning we will face many problems.
The atmosphere affects oceans, and oceans influence the atmosphere. As this temperature air rises, the oceans absorb this heat and become warmer. And this is the other effect causing global warming, the warmer of oceans.
Warmer oceans affects weather patterns, cause more powerful tropical storms, and can impact many kinds of sea life, such as corals and fishes. Warmer oceans are also one of the main causes of rising sea level.
As water gets warmer, it takes up more space. Each drop of water only expands by a little bit. But when you multiply this expansion over the entire depth of the ocean, it all adds up and causes sea level to rise. Sea level is also rising because melting glaciers and ice sheets are adding more water to the oceans. Rising sea level is a threat to people who live near the ocean. Some low-lying areas will have more frequent flooding, and very low-lying land could be submerged completely. Rising sea level can also harm important coastal ecosystems like mangrove forests and coral reefs.
Another sign of the climate change is the melting of glaciers. Here, as you can see, the glaciers before disappeared. This may result extinction of the animals in the Antarctic.
Glaciers are large sheets of snow and ice that are found in the land all year long. They're found in the western United States, Alaska, mountains of Europe and Asia, and many other parts of the world. Warmer temperatures can cause these glaciers to melt more than snow that they can accumulate. As these glaciers and the giant sheets of Greenland and Antarctica melt, this causes the ocean levels to rise.
Hurricanes and other tropical storms get their energy from the warm ocean water. As the top layer of the ocean gets warm, hurricanes and other tropical storms occur with faster winds and heavy rain. Because high temperatures and increase of climate change causes other types of storms to get stronger too.
the climate gets warmer, heavier rainstorms and snowstorms, and with more precipitations than normal are expected to happen more often. And the hurricanes around the world, they could keep getting stronger. As a result, they're causing flooding, damaged buildings, roads, harm crops, other structures, and putting the people's lives in danger.
This is
Not the end.
because we
Still have time.
We can still stop this.
Let's make a step.
for our world.